Harry's Liquor offers the selection and expertise of a full-service liquor store right inside many Price Choppers and Sunfresh locations. Harry's helps Kansas City celebrate the best moments in life. Let's dive into this week's Harry's Liquor lesson.
There are a few subcategories that classify as specialty beers. Those are sour, porter, bock, and wheat beers. Our first specialty feature is the sour. Sour beer is a brew that intentionally tastes acidic, tart, or sour. At one time, all beers were sour to a degree. Sours are made by intentionally allowing wild yeast strains or bacteria into the brew. This process is very unpredictable, resulting in it taking years to mature. A great way to enjoy this beer is to pair it with tangy, stinky cheeses, mussels, or salty meats like cured pork. Porters are another specialty beer that often get compared to stouts. Beginning in the 18th century, porters were the first beer style to gain wide popularity. The beer itself can give you a wide array of flavors and textures, from a malty complexity to aggressive hops, with a chance for a real dark, full-bodied feel. Try these out with smoked foods, barbecue, sausage, bacon, or chili. Bocks are much like lagers in that they have a long fermentation period in cold temperatures. Germany brought this beer to light during the 14th century, where they bottom fermented and extensively layered the brew to give it a smooth, deep maltiness. Bocks are generally dark amber to dark brown in color and often give a bit of hoppiness. This forms a mellow flavor complemented by a smooth drinking experience. Try out the bock with grilled meats or aged cheeses. Our final specialty beer on this list is the wheat beer. The best American wheat ales are nuanced, tasty, and refreshing, often giving off either a cloudy, citrusy, aromatic Belgian style or a rich banana and clove flavor. Wheat beer is usually top fermented, with a large portion of wheat relative to the amount of malted barley. Try out the wheat beer with smoked salmon, sushi, light cheeses, or salads.
Follow Harry's Liquor Facebook page for all things recipes, lessons, and more.